listeners. My name is Bukola. I'm 16 years old. My parents are Mr. and Mrs. Osho. We are native of Aiyede-Ekiti. My father's occupation was farmer before his death, while my mother is a PT trader. I attended my primary school in St. Benedict Catholic School, Aiyede-Ekiti, in year 2008 to 2017. After my common entrance examination, I was admitted to Aiyede Grammar School, Aiyede-Ekiti, in year 2017 to 2018 till date. My current class is SS3A. My aspiration is to become a computer scientist in the near future. A computer scientist is a person who has acquired knowledge on computer science, which is the study of foundation of information and computation and their application. My primary goal of being a computer scientist is to develop programming language, to solve mathematical problems, and to develop design that gives useful benefits to the society. My road plan to achieve this: I'm already studying science subject, which we take in with my course. I require MEF support. Three reasons why I require MEF support. I require MEF support because my father is late, my mother is a PT trader, and I'm from a student family. In conclusion, if I do not get MEF support, I may not be able to become what I want to become in the future. Thanks.